Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. Here you can see the release of the 3.11 version of the Python. You can easily download from here for Windows, Linux, Mint, Mac and other. In this video we will installation Python 3.11 on Linux Mint. Sorry, I said Mac version. So it is same. You can see Linux command and Mac command almost same, just package and packaging issue, otherwise is same. So you can download from here. Okay, my English is not good. I am simply making videos for fun and also informational short videos. So I have already downloaded from this link from here, link in description. You can see we go to our folder, download folder. You can see it here. Open the just panel, continue. Here also continue. Here lines also continue. Here also continue. You put your password, make password. Here our installation writes file. Okay. Oh, it's taking some time, 1 minute. So running the packages scripts. So I am happy to see 3.11 version of Python. So let's start, have fun. Okay, here is ideally print hello Pyresearch. You can see, oh, it's a spelling issue. Okay, hello Pyresearch. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.